general gives you a break to keep you tired lifting to jobs that don't feel like the right fit. Introducing Indeed Career Scout.
You're watching 3-time Emmy-nominated Justice for America for Outstanding Legal Programming. We're back with the case of Nicole Breyer suing Jakara Jones in the amount of $10,000 for hair loss. Let's get back into the courtroom and see what the judge has to say. All right. So Nikki, you are a hairstylist, right? Nikki James. This is Nikki James Josephs. She is a hairstylist with Nikki James and Josephs hairstylist here at Justice for America. So you said you showed me a little bit before the commercial about braiding. You have to oil down, you have to keep the original hair, take out take out some of the pieces that don't need to be there, right? That's what she did, but she took out the main ones that were supposed to be there, right? Okay. Understandable. All right, thank you, Nikki. Congratulate Nikki for showing us, y'all. All right. So, anyways, Ms. Jones, I'm about ready to rule in this case. What I see here is what you did wrong was you supposed to kept some of the original hair. You kept some of it. You kept it for yourself. You kept it at your shop. That was wrong. That was dead wrong. Now, whether if you did in fact meant to harm their hair, that's a part that I have to figure out. Whether you did it intentionally, that's what I have to figure out. But you came to court and said, "Oh, it's not my fault. I didn't do that." That was dead wrong. Now, clearly, if you did it right, they wouldn't be in here suing you. And I won't be wasting my time trying to say, "Okay, well, Miss Jones, you did wrong. Da, 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 da. You did wrong." And for that, I'm ready to rule. Based on the evidence and testimony for this court, the gavel has to come down in favor of the co-plaintiffs. You did a terrible, terrible, terrible job at braiding their hair. Their ends were coming out. The edges were done wrong. And trust me, I wouldn't even hire you to do my own daughter's hair, okay? Because it is ridiculous to what you did to their hair and having to put some kind of chemical on there. Audience, do not book with Jakara Jones, okay? She is a terrible hairstylist. Your ratings are going to go down. I'm not trying to shame you or anything. I'm just trying to teach you a lesson not to do it again. Okay? That's just a lesson learned for you, Miss Jones. All right? For the reasons I stated, based on every testimony for this court, the judgment is going down in favor of the plaintiff in an amount of $10,000. You're going to have to pay these people. That is the order of this court. All rise. Judge Jordan has ruled in favor of the plaintiff. The defendant, co-plaintiff, the defendant owes to pay $10,000 for damages. Any final words for each other? Parties may exit the courtroom.